I'm sure you've heard the news. There are only days left to grab the remaining seats for the Master Trainers Workshop that starts July 8th in Orlando, Florida. Hi there. If you're a facility manager, custodial supervisor, or building service contractor, today I'm here to talk about something that could revolutionize the way your team approaches cleaning. Imagine a scenario where every member of your cleaning staff is not just going through the motions, but is empowered with the knowledge and skills to perform their tasks with precision and pride. Sounds ideal, right? Well, it's entirely possible with the knowledge you will gain from our Master Trainer Workshop taught by the Academy of Cleaning Excellence, designed specifically for managers like you. Now, let me take you through what this Master Trainer Workshop entails. It's not just any skills training session. It's a comprehensive program that covers all aspects of generational communication, floor care, green cleaning initiatives, bidding, and more. This workshop focuses on a train-the-trainer approach. This means that you, as a manager, will not only enhance your own skills, but also learn how to effectively pass on this knowledge to your team. Why is this important? Because by enhancing your managerial skills, you will be able to engage your work family in a more effective and productive way. You will learn how to ensure better retention of key staff, which, let's be honest, is more crucial now than ever before. Whether your managers are just starting out or are seasoned professionals looking to up their game, our workshop offers something valuable for everyone. With hands-on sessions and real-world applications, we guarantee that you will leave with the confidence and tools you need to elevate your cleaning operations. But it's not just about the immediate skills. It's about creating a ripple effect. By empowering your managers, you are indirectly uplifting the entire cleaning operation. This sustainable impact can transform your organization's approach to cleaning, making you a leader in creating healthy, safe environments. So, what do you say? Are you ready to transform your team and set new benchmarks in the cleaning industry? Join our Master Trainer Workshop. Elevate your team, elevate your standards. Thank you for considering this opportunity to enhance your team's capabilities. We look forward to helping you achieve excellence in health and safety, the cornerstones of what every facility strives for. Transform your team, transform your environment. See you at the workshop. There are days left to get the final seats for the class starting July 8th in Orlando, Florida. Register today. Don't miss out.